It's Chris here from Geeks on Tap, and if you have chosen LastPass as your master password management tool, I say congratulations. It's a great tool and we love it. When we set up your account, what you will receive is an email here, and it's your LastPass account creation email. If you haven't received it yet, try searching your inbox for LastPass account created, and you should see something like what I have on screen here. Welcome to LastPass, your company details, you'll see your username and your activation code. That is required so that you can create the account and you can give a master password moving forward. It's really straightforward. All you need to do is click on Activate LastPass. It'll then ask you to copy the activation code, which I will do here. And then I'll put in a new master password. Now they're recommending that you tell a unique story so that you can remember your password. Ideally it wants to be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, something that you'll remember. It's critical that you remember this password because if you forget it, you'll lose access to all of your passwords. If it helps, add a reminder. Click continue and away you go. Great news, your LastPass access is now activated. The next thing you want to do is to add the LastPass extension in Chrome. So Google LastPass extension Chrome and then scroll down until you see the LastPass free password manager. When you click on that, that'll take you straight into the Chrome extensions. All you need to do is click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and then just wait for it to install. Once it's installed, up in the top right hand corner you'll see the LastPass extension. All you need to do is log in. Once you've logged in, it'll take you to the vault. Now you can find your passwords in the top right, or you can use the search bar at the top. I'm just searching for our asset management system. I see a list of logins. I click on the one I want and I've told it to auto login. It uses my username and my password and I'm straight in. Welcome to LastPass.